old device, and sometimes your device can be like disabled, like here. For example, this digital output is disabled, so I just enabled it for like showing you guys. So if there are like two of these and another, and the wrong one is selected as default, then the audio will not you will not hear the audio. So make sure to select your audio, like you have to check uh, if this is your device that you are looking to use for that you have to right click on it and click on properties. Here you will see that there is option font panel 3.5 mm jack, or it might say rear panel 3.5 mm jack. So if you have put the set your audio in the rear panel or the front panel, it will show here. So you have to like know where your device is plugged in, and like you have to right click on that particular device from here and click on enable. So that's how you have to like select the correct audio device in your Windows 11. And from mic, the procedure is same. So make sure to like check this option, and I hope it hopes it like fixes your audio problem or no sound problem in Windows uh, 11. So that's all for today. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment, and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.